Some people mistakenly believe that you're either born organized or you aren't. That's not true. Getting organized and clearing clutter, as well as learning to be more mindful and aware, is a skill that you can learn and will support you your entire life. Every lesson contains action items at the end for you to implement once you've completed a section. Each class takes a holistic view and touches on physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and energetic clutter, as well as clutter in other areas of your life. Classes available in video or MP3 format include How to Declutter Your Life, Back to School to Reduce Stress, Get Organized, Achieve Success, and Gain Peace of Mind, Spring Cleaning and Organizing, How to Get Organized, Reduce Stress, and Stay Sane During the Holiday Season, and Get Organized for the Year. Are you ready to finally stop letting fear overwhelm you? Begin to clear your clutter and get organized with one of my classes. Check our website, reawakenyourbrilliance.com, as more classes are being added. Come on, let's get started.